Assalamu alaikum. In this series, we will discuss about the most repeated molecular genetics MCQs. So let's begin. MCQ number 44. In eukaryotic DNA replication during synthesis of base pairs, on average, one mistake occurs for every option A 10 raised to the power 11 pairs, B 10 raised to the power 9 pairs, option C 10 raised to the power 7 pairs, D 10 raised to the power 5 pairs. So the correct option is option B. 10 raised to the power 9 pairs. MCQ number 45. Errors in base pairing and bacteria are corrected by A. DNase, B. DNA ligase, C. DNA polymerase, D. RNA polymerase. So the correct option is option C. DNA polymerase. MCQ number 46. During RNA processing, the RNA transcriptase A combined with the DNA, B joined with another RNA, C altered by removal and addition of nucleotide, D wrapped in proteins. The correct option is option C, altered by removal and addition of nucleotide. MCQ number 47. Artificially synthesized genes without entrance often fail to produce proteins when placed inside a cell because A. Their messenger RNA molecules fail to move through the nuclear pores. B. They are bound to the nucleus. C. They cover up. D. They bound to the DNA. The correct option is A. Their messenger RNA molecules fail to move through the nuclear pores. MCQ number 48. If a cell is treated with a chemical that blocked nucleic acid synthesis, it would first affect option A. DNA replication, B. Protein synthesis, C. Transfer RNA synthesis, D. Messenger RNA synthesis. The correct option for this MCQ is option D. Messenger RNA synthesis. MCQ number 49. Although all the cells of an organism contain the same genes, the cells are different in structure and function because they synthesize different A. ribosomes, B. messenger RNA molecules, C. transfer RNA molecules, D. mitochondria. The correct option is B. Messenger RNA molecules. MCQ number 50. The enzyme that catalyzes peptide bonding during protein synthesis is located in the option A. Larger subunit of ribosome, B. Smaller subunit of ribosome, C. Anticodon of transfer RNA, D. PolyA of messenger RNA. So the correct option is option A. Larger subunit of ribosome. MCQ number 51. The real inducer in lycopyran is A. Lactose, B. allolactose, C. tryptophan, D. galactose. So the correct option for this MCQ is allolactose. MCQ number 52. In human cell, the percentage of adenine is approximately option A 20, B 30, C 40, D 10. The correct option is B 30%. MCQ number 53. In E. coli, the amount of adenine present is A 10%, B 14%, C 24%, D 26%. Correct option is option C 24%. MCQ number 54. For all DNA molecules of organism, guanine always equals to the option A cytosine, B adenine, C thymine, D uracil. Correct option is A cytosine. MCQ number 55. The pyrimidines of DNA are A adenine and thymine, B adenine and cytosine, C thymine and cytosine, D adenine and guanine. So the correct option for this MCQ is option C thymine and cytosine. MCQ number 56. The pyrimidines of RNA are Option A, adenine and uracil, B, uracil and cytosine, C, guanine and uracil, D, uracil and thiamine. The correct option is option B, uracil and cytosine. MCQ number 57. The number of base pairs present in one turn of a cDNA is A8, B9, C10, D11. The correct option is B9. MCQ number 58. The length of a major groove and minor groove are respectively at 20 Armstrong and 10 Armstrong, B 34 Armstrong and 3.4 Armstrong, C 24 Armstrong, D 22 Armstrong and 12 Armstrong. So the correct option is D 22 Armstrong and 12 Armstrong. MCQ number 59. Nitrogenous base is attached in which position of a pentose sugar and DNA? A1, B2, C3, 5D. Correct option is option A 1. MCQ number 60. The phosphorodiester ester bond is formed between which position of pentose sugar up to adjacent nucleotides? A 1 dash and 3 dash, B 3 dash and 5 dash, C 5 dash and 9 dash, D 4 dash and 5 dash. So the correct option for this MCQ is B 3 dash and 5 dash. MCQ number 61. If one strand of DNA runs from 3 dash to 5 dash, then the other strand will run in the same direction from A 5 dash to 3 dash, B 3 dash to 5 dash, C 3 dash to 3 dash, D 5 dash to 5 dash. So the correct option is A 5 dash to 3 dash. MCQ number 62. The basic monomer used in DNA replication are A amino acid, B monosaccharides, C ribonucleotides, D deoxyribonucleotides. So the correct option for this MCQ is D deoxyribonucleotides. The basic monomer used in DNA replication are deoxyribonucleotides. MCQ number 63. The enzyme that catalyzes the synthesis of new strand by linking nucleotide during DNA replication. A. Topoisomerase, B. Helicase, C. DNA polymerase, D. Single-stranded binding proteins. The correct option is C. DNA polymerase. 64. In DNA replication, two strands unzip due to breaking of A. Covalent bond, B. Hydrogen bond, C. Sulfhydryl bonds, D. Nitrogen bonds. Correct option is B. Hydrogen bonds. MCQ number 65. In post-replication repair of DNA, the event occurs first as A. Excision repair, B. Binding to RNA, C. Binding to histone, D. Cross-strand exchange. The correct option is D. Cross-strand exchange. 66. Michelson and Stahl in their DNA experiment in E. coli used isotope of A. Sulfur, B. Carbon, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. The correct option is C. Nitrogen. MCQ number 67. The number of base pairs formed per second during DNA replication in prokaryotes and eukaryotes are respectively A. 550, B. 50 and 500, C. 1000 and 10,000, D. 10 raised to the power 7 and 10 raised to the power 9. So the correct option for this MCQ is option A. 550. MCQ number 68. The initial errors in DNA replication are almost corrected by repair enzymes. If this were not corrected, the percentage of mistakes in cell's protein would be A1, B1, C2, D3. Correct option is D3. MCQ number 69. The repair enzymes of DNA replication are present within A. DNA ligase complex, B. DNA polymerase complex, C. Topoisomerase, D. None of these. The correct option is B. DNA polymerase complex. MCQ number 70. During DNA replication, error may occur by linking two adjacent pyrimidine bases on the same strand, which is known as A. Okazaki fragment, B. Primer, C. Dimer, D. Dipeptide. Correct option is C. Dimer. 71. The metabolic activity in different cells of an organism varies due to differences in type of A. Ribosomes, B. Proteins, C. Enzymes, D. Genes. The correct option for this MCQ is option C. Enzymes. MCQ number 72. Phenylketonuria develops when A. Phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine, B. Phenylalanine is not converted to tyrosine, C. Tyrosine is converted to phenylalanine, D. Tyrosine is not converted to phenylalanine. Correct option is B. Phenylalanine is not converted to tyrosine. 73. In alkaptonuria, urine turns black due to A. Non-conversion of homogenistic acid, B. Conversion of homogenistic acid to fumaric acid, C. Non-conversion of fumaric acid to homogenistic acid, D. Conversion of fumaric acid to homogenistic acid. Correct option is A. Non-conversion of homogenistic acid. MCQ number 74. In albinism, there is failure in activity of enzyme that converts A. Tyrosine to melanin, B. Alanine to melanin, C. Methionine to melanin, D. Glycine to melanin. So the correct option is A. Tyrosine to melanin. 75. During transcription in prokaryotes, the terminator in DNA has two components. They are A. Blind lump and poly T tail, B. Nonsense codons and poly A tail, C. Poly A and poly T tail, D. Hairpin loop and poly A tail. So the correct option for this MCQ is option D. Hairpin loop and poly A tail. MCQ number 76. Eukaryotic messenger RNA is kept in the 5' and 3' end respectively by A. Poly A and GTP, B. GTP and poly A, C. Poly U and ATP, ATP and poly U. Correct option is B. GTP and poly A. MCQ number 77. Which RNA is short-lived? A. Ribosomal RNA, B. Transfer RNA, C. Messenger RNA, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Messenger RNA. 78. The two amino acids having sulfur are A. Arginine and methionine, B. Lysine and proline, C. Cysteine and tyrosine, D. Cysteine and methionine. The correct option is D. Cysteine and methionine. MCQ number 79. The percentage of nitrogen present in proteins is approximately A. 10, B. 12, C. 14, D. 16. The correct option is D. 16. MCQ number 80. The percentage of sulfur present in protein is A. 0 to 2, B. 0 to 3, C. 0 to 4, D. 5 to 10. Correct option is C. 0 to 4. MCQ number 81. All life forms have a common ancestor can be deduced from the fact that A. Genetic code is universal, B. There is crossing over, C. Mutation is a property of DNA, D. DNA can replicate. The correct option is A. The genetic code is universal. MCQ number 82. The number of kinds of DNA molecules present in all living organisms is A. 10 raised to the power 7, B. 10 raised to the power 9, C. 10 raised to the power 11, D. 10 raised to the power 13. The correct option is C. 10 raised to the power 11. 83. The scientist who discovered RNA processing in 1977 is A. H.G. Corona, B. Philip Sharp, C. R. Hole, D. Max Dilberg. The correct option is B. Philip Sharp. MCQ number 84. Free messenger RNA and hnRNA is transcribed from A. Exons only, B. Introns only, C. Both from introns and exons. Correct option is C. Both from introns and exons. 85. Splicing a messenger RNA is an event where a messenger RNA is cut into smaller fragments. B. Smaller segments of messenger RNA are giant. C. Messenger RNA binds with DNA. D. Messenger RNA is covered by histones. Correct option is B. Smaller segments of messenger RNA are giant. MCQ number 86. Genes that trigger normal cells to cause cancer are known as A. Luxury genes, B. Lethal genes, C. Double recessive genes, D. Oncogenes. The correct option is D. Oncogenes. MCQ number 87. Wild type Escherichia coli cells are grown in a normal medium with glucose. If they are transferred to a medium containing only lactose, which of the following events will happen? A. Leucoperin is induced, B. Leucoperin is repressed, C. E. coli cells stop dividing, D. No change will occur. The correct option is A. Leucoperin is induced. MCQ number 88. In operon model, repressor binds to A. Regulator gene, B. Promoter gene, C. Operator gene, D. Structural gene. The correct option is operator gene. 89. Eukaryotic genes are A. Continuous, B. Discontinuous, C. Discontinuous and non-split, D. Discontinuous, split and mosaic. So the correct option is D. Discontinuous, split and mosaic. MCQ number 90. The aporepressor produced anti-arpaeuperan is A. Amino acid, B. Monosaccharide, C. Protein, D. Fatty acids. The correct option is C. Protein. MCQ number 91. To produce a polypeptide of 100 amino acids, how many nucleotides should be there in the corresponding messenger RNA? A. 100, B. 300, C. 900, D. 1200. The correct option is B. 300. MCQ number 92. Split genes were discovered by A. Robert and Sharp, B. Nathan and Smith, C. Pyruvic acid, D. Bedel and Tatum. So the correct option is A. Robert and Sharp. MCQ number 93. B. MC Clintock discovered which gene in maize? A. Regulator gene, B. Split gene, C. Housekeeping gene, D. Jumping genes. The correct option is C. Housekeeping gene. 94. Housekeeping genes. A. Farm hormones, B. Farm vitamins, C. Constantly operate for cellular activity, D. Transcribe in a regulator manner. Correct option is C. Constantly operate for cellular activity. 95. Biologically functional tyrosine suppressor transfer RNA of E. coli synthesized by Corona in 1979 had A. 333 nucleotides, B. 312 nucleotides, 207 nucleotide, D. 77 nucleotide pairs. So the correct option is C. 207 nucleotides. 96. Coliphage alpha multiplied by 174 possesses A. Double-stranded DNA, B. Double-stranded RNA, C. Single-stranded RNA, D. Single-stranded RNA. The correct option is C. Single-stranded RNA. MCQ number 97. In Rose sarcoma virus and formation flu is A. DNA protein RNA, B. DNA RNA protein, C. RNA DNA protein, D. RNA DNA RNA protein. The correct option is D. RNA DNA RNA protein. MCQ number 98. Regulator gene control chemical synthesis. Operan concept by A. Inhibiting transcription of messenger RNA. B. Inhibiting enzymes. C. Inhibiting passage of messenger RNA. D. Inhibiting substrate enzyme reaction. The correct option is A. Inhibiting transcription of messenger RNA. MCQ number 99. In operan concept, the operator gene combines with a regulator protein to switch off structural gene transcription. B. Regulator protein to switch on structural gene transcription. C. Inducer to switch off structured gene transcription. D. Regulator gene to switch off structured gene transcription. The correct option is A. Regulator protein to switch off structured gene transcription. Number 100. The terms stan, recan, and mutan were proposed by A. Johnson, B. Morgan, C. Lederberg, D. Benzer. The correct option is D. Benzer.